If you're still using the same old tools while new, smarter ones are quietly changing the game. You're probably making your projects harder than they need to be. Every month, Amazon fills up with new tools, but most of them never get the attention they deserve. Some solve problems you didn't even realize how to fix. Others can seriously speed up your workflow, so make sure you watch till the end, because by the end of this video, you might find the one tool that completely changes how you work. As always, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description below. Number 20. Dewalt Construction Jack. It's called the Dewalt Tough Series Construction Jack, and it's basically a simple tool that helps you lift and hold heavy stuff while working. It can handle around 340 pounds, and the adjustment is smooth and easy to control. The base is slim and tapered, so you can slide it under tight spaces without much effort. It feels solid and practical, just something that makes the job a little easier when you need extra support. Number 19. Wood Grinder Ball Gouge. This versatile tool set includes angle grinder attachments for accurate grinding, carving, and hole expansion in wood. It supports shaping and hollowing projects like bowls and sculptures with strong vibration control and stable performance. Made from durable carbon steel, it offers long-lasting use and efficient cutting. It installs easily on standard grinders without adapters and delivers smooth results on both wet and dry wood when used with proper technique. Number 18. Bosch D-TECT. The one is really practical because it can help you see what's inside your walls before you drill. It can detect things like wiring, steel, copper, plastic, or wood, so you know what's behind the surface. Depending on the material, it can scan up to about 200 millimeters deep, which gives you a clearer idea of what's hidden and helps you avoid hitting something important. Number 17. AIRCAT Extended Inside Cutoff Tool. This pneumatic tool is powered by a 1.0 horsepower motor delivering 14,000 revolutions per minute for stable and reliable performance. It includes a durable steel housing, a spindle lock for quick wheel replacement, and a rotating guard for safety. The ergonomic handle improves comfort during extended use. Part of an advanced tool line, it enhances efficiency and precision for cutting and grinding applications in professional environments. Number 16. Dewalt PowerBoot. The PowerBoot attaches to your drill battery and gives you space to store fasteners, bits, and small tools so they're always close by. It also has a built-in magnet to hold things securely and keep them from falling. It only adds about 227 grams in weight, so it doesn't feel bulky. It basically keeps your bits and small parts organized and within reach, which helps you work a little faster on the job. Number 15. Bosch Grinder. This tool delivers strong performance with simple operation and minimal maintenance thanks to its carbon brush design. It maintains stable speed under load through constant electronic control, ensuring smooth results. The secure clamping system keeps grinding stones firmly in place for accurate work. Suitable for professional and DIY tasks, it combines reliability, durability, and ease of use in one efficient package. Number 14. Magpie Angle Finder. It's called the Cube, and it's a small gadget that fits in your hand but packs a few tools in one. It works as a digital angle finder, a level, and a laser meter all together. It's pretty accurate, even showing measurements down to 2 decimal places, and the screen rotates automatically so you don't have to bend your neck to read it. With one full charge, it can last up to about 12 hours, which makes it practical for longer jobs. Number 13. Milwaukee Vibratory Screed. Concrete work doesn't have to feel like a workout at the gym. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Vibratory Screed gives you push-button starts, strong power to handle a 16-foot bar smoothly, and runs on a battery so there's no gas, less noise, and no fumes. It keeps pours clean and consistent without the hassle of engine maintenance. The battery system also gives instant power, and you can track, manage, and secure your equipment right from your phone. Number 12. Adjustable Dimpler. This adjustable Dimpler attachment offers 4 depth settings for accurate screw control in various materials. It includes a replaceable drywall bit for smooth and precise installation. Compatible with most electric and impact drills, it easily converts your drill into a screw gun. Designed for use on drywall, plywood, and decking, it delivers stable and efficient screw driving performance for home projects and professional applications. Number 11. VEVOR Flex Shaft Grinder. Powered by a 780-watt pure copper motor. This flex shaft tool provides stable performance with speed control from 500 to 23,000 revolutions per minute. It features a strong 3-jaw chuck, a flexible shaft for precision work, and a safe foot pedal for smooth adjustment. The package includes multiple accessories for sanding and polishing, along with essential tools and storage, making it suitable for detailed and professional tasks. Number 10. Lithium Power Carver. This cordless power carver delivers precise performance with a 1mm stroke and 14,000 SPM for detailed wood carving and restoration tasks. It comes with multiple blade attachments for different cutting needs and a rechargeable battery with a USB-C port and clear power indicators. Designed for portability and convenience. Number 9. ARBORTECH Ball Gouge. This spherical carving tool is built for fast hollowing and shaping of concave wood surfaces. Its replaceable ring blade and anti-grab design improve durability and control during carving. Suitable for small bowls, spoons, and sculpting tasks, it works with standard angle grinders at high speed. The set includes the attachment and an Allen key, making it ready for efficient and precise woodworking projects. Number 8. Marathon 3. This tool is powered by advanced motor technology and supports multiple material processing tasks. It includes a foot-controlled switch for convenient operation and adjustable speed up to 35,000 revolutions per minute for precise control. Designed for professional use in industries such as jewelry, engraving, and carving, it offers smooth performance and low maintenance. Number 7. ARBORTECH Mini Turbo Kit. This wood carving attachment enables precise shaping and smooth finishing with minimal sanding. It supports freehand carving and guided work for accurate results, and can also function as a sanding tool. Built with durable carbide teeth, it delivers strong performance and long service life. Compatible with standard angle grinders, it is easy to attach and suitable for professional woodworking and creative sculpting projects. Number 6. Milwaukee Pipeline Locator. It's the Milwaukee M12 Pipeline Locator, and it basically helps you find where the sewer camera is underground instead of guessing. It shows a directional arrow and confirms the spot clearly so you know you're in the right place. It uses dual 3D antennas for better accuracy, has a 4.3-inch screen so everything is easy to see, and runs on M12 red lithium power so it lasts all day even on tough job sites. Number 5. Magnetic Nail Roller. This 17-inch magnetic sweeper quickly collects metal debris such as nails and screws with strong lifting capacity. Its adjustable handle and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to use in tight spaces and across different surfaces. Designed for large area coverage, it improves cleanup efficiency in workshops, garages, and outdoor spaces. Number 4. Dewalt Suction Lifter. It's the Dewalt 20-volt Max Grabo lifter, and it helps you lift heavy materials without putting stress on your back. It can handle around 265 pounds and uses a vacuum grip to hold things like glass, tile, wood, and stone securely. There's a small digital screen so you can see the settings and pressure clearly while working. It feels strong and reliable, and it just makes lifting and moving heavy pieces much easier. Number 3. HAZET Jigsaw. This pneumatic saw offers adjustable support and strong cutting performance for aluminum and sheet steel. It combines high efficiency with lower weight, reduced vibration, and smooth operation for precise curved cuts. The package includes multiple blades, files, and a tool for convenience. Built by an experienced German tool manufacturer, it is designed for professional use and reliable performance in demanding workshop applications. Number 2. Truck Cab Kit. This fastening tool supports installation of up to 1/4 inch lock bolts and works with major compatible models for truck body applications. It includes multiple nose pieces for panel work, grill bolts, and sleeper conversions, making it versatile for different fastening tasks. Designed for professional and small shop use, it delivers reliable performance with broad compatibility and practical accessories for efficient truck repair and assembly work. Number 1. Concrete Vibrator Kit. This concrete vibrator system delivers strong consolidation performance with high vibration output and the ability to cover large areas per charge. Powered by a brushless motor and a cordless battery system, it provides reliable operation without fuel or heavy maintenance. Its modular design supports extended shafts and flexible use on walls and columns, while remote control and tracking features improve convenience and equipment management for professional job sites. That's it for today. If any of these tools caught your attention, go take a closer look. Subscribe for more new tools and cool finds. Thank you for watching.